I'm Bill Sullivan. I'm the president here at Highland Machine. We are a metal fabricator and maybe a little bit different from what you consider your standard metal fabricator. We like to think of ourselves as an end-to-end type of manufacturer. Typically, you'll go out and say, I need this part. Well, we're going to say, talk to me before you say, here, I want you to make this part. Get us involved in the design, get us involved in the assembly, and then let us help manage your inventory end to end. But I want to talk a little bit more about how we want to partner with you. So the question is, are you looking for us for a part or a partner? We think you want a partner. Let me tell you why. We want to know how your parts are being used. We don't want to just make this box. I would like to know how it's being used so I can give you some input as to maybe better ways to design it or better ways to manufacture it.
I think you get a better benefit the earlier we come in. You get a more complete process early on where you don't have the waste of making a product over and over again, making revisions. We can solve some of those problems early on in the design process rather than waiting till the design is already through. We can address some of those problems much earlier, save the customer a little bit of money, maybe even come up with a much better product early on.
We're ISO certified, so why do you care? Let me give you a few reasons. First of all, ISO helps you determine if this is a vendor you want to work with. When you contact your vendor, you send him a request for quote. Do they get back to you quickly? When they give you a quote, do they give you a delivery date? Even better, do they meet that delivery date? ISO helps you look at the performance standards, and your vendor has to live up to those standards.
What ISO is to us, it's a standard procedure on how we make the customer's parts. It's how we handle any problems that arise during the fabrication process. And it is all aimed at employee cooperation, customer satisfaction, and on-time shipping performances. Employee engagement is critical because if you don't have everybody working together towards the same goal, moving in the same direction, you're not going to see the results that you want to see from ISO.
Is your vendor honest with you? Do they get back to you on time? Do they live up to their delivery dates? Do they fix their problems? Do they stop the problems from happening? If you can't answer yes to all of those questions, your vendor is probably not ISO certified, and it's time to find somebody that is. We are. And we are dedicated, absolutely dedicated, to making sure you are totally satisfied with your product. We're Highland Machine. We are ISO certified, and that's why you care.